Hello, this is Peter West with West Networks, and today I am opening my very first Peplink opening box. This is going to be the Peplink EPX. This is a 40 gigabit router that is modular and completely customizable. This thing can be a 48 port switch with a built-in router. This could be a multi-gigabit cellular router. This can be a multi-Wi-Fi device. It has 8 modular bays, redundant power, and can have wireless WAN, wireless LAN, Ethernet gigabit LAN, Ethernet gigabit WAN, SFP LAN, SFP WAN, cellular LTE advanced WAN. So basically, no matter how you want to get on the internet or connect to your LAN, this thing can do it. And I'm ecstatic. Holy jeez. Oh, look at this thing. I didn't know how they were going to send it to me, so I wasn't really didn't know what to expect. So what they sent me is 5 LTE advanced modules. Each module consists of 3 cellular SIM card support. So 5 times 3, so I have 15 LTE advanced modules. I have 4 10 gig SFP ports and 8 gigabit Ethernet ports. And then the LCD module is a 1 terabyte SSD Media Fast content caching with Docker support. So this router is a 15 cellular WAN connection with a terabyte Docker support. I can load phone servers, anything that's Docker supported can be loaded onto this system. On the back, I have my redundant power supplies, my normal USB ports for additional cellular, which is obviously useless given the fact that I have 15 LTE advanced, my console port, and then an additional LAN port. So let's boot this thing up and see what it looks like. We can upgrade the router as necessary to add additional modules, supports, capabilities. So I can pull this out, replace this unit with an SFP port or whatever I want. So, truly modular capability right in this router. Once again, adding more flexibility. We could buy the core unit with just 3 LTE and some SFP ports, or you could buy the core unit with just SFP and have 40 gigs or 20 gigs of throughput. And then what you can do is just as you need additional support or capability, upgrade the router with that capability that you need. So really embodying this idea of SD WAN for complete customization. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in a SIM card here. So I'm gonna take out, I installed an antenna. If you can see here, each of the 3 modules has a redundant SIM card. So this router right now can support 30 SIM cards at one time, which is insane. So I'm logged in. You can see that I've got my 15 cellular connections here. It's obtaining an IP address right now. It's activating my AT&T service that I have plugged in here. So hopefully this will work okay. It looks like a standard Peplink router, a little bit noisier than I would expect on a. There you go. So I'm connected right here. I've got my AT&T LTE Advanced. So getting 11 megs on LTE Advanced right now. So that's kind of nice. If I go to the network tab, once again I can see all of my cellular connections and then my USB connection that I have in the back. So I go to my network tab and see my LAN. If I go into my port settings, There's all my LAN ports, ports 1 through 12. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it looks like the SFP ports right now are acting as LAN ports. I'm sure there's going to be an option, I'll find it, but they will allow me to use LAN as WAN, so I can use those as, program those to be WAN ports. We have our speed fusion settings here, IPsec, that's all normal. Outbound policies is normal. I've got my inbound services, my NAT mappings, captive portal, that's all normal. Nothing really different than usual. Captive portals, normal settings there. QoS, I got my user groups, bandwidth reservations, application policies, once again all kind of normal. Access rules, outbound, inbound, internet or internal, intrusion detection, all normal. Content blocking, I've got my content blocking full, which is giving me all, look at this, kids wasting time, that's kind of funny. I've got OSPF and RIP, remote user VPN settings, it's my L2TP and my PPTP setting. It supports high availability redundancy. We got our AP controller, my system state. Yeah, so it's it's basically like a balanced router on steroids. This is a 40 gigabit router with 15 LTE advanced modems, and can't wait to play around with it, do some bandwidth testing. I fully intend on loading these modules up, so I will provide you some more detail when I get 15 SIM cards to play with it.